Two pig farmer can raise the same pigs, feed them the same way, and one make profit while the other struggles. What make the difference is the location. Many farmers focus on pigs, feed, and housing, but forget locations. Your farm location affects transportation cost, market access, selling price, and even disease risk. Today, let's break down how location can make or mar your pig farming business. Welcome to Farm House. Every kilometer costs money. If your farm is far from feed supply, veterinary services, slaughter lab, or major market, your production cost will quietly increase. Buying feed from far away means high transportation cost, delay, emergency shortage, and a lot more. Some farmers lose profit before their pigs even grow, and they are not even aware of it. If you transport your pig for a long distance, it will stress your pig, causes weight loss, injury, and sometimes your animal can die. Either you like it or not, that stress becomes direct financial losses. A pig farm without market access is a warehouse, not a business. Farm that is closer to cities, abattoirs, hotels, and processor, they sell faster, they spend less on transportation, and they always negotiate a better prices. Remote farm often depend on middlemen who dictate prices for you and go away with majority of your profits at the long run. Your pig may be worth more, but you are forced to sell them cheap because your farm is far away. Don't be deceived. Pig prices are not the same everywhere. In urban and peri-urban areas, pork demand is higher, prices are better, and turnover is faster. In some rural area, pig are cheaper due to the low demand. For example, as of January 2026 in Oyo town, pig is being sold at the rate of 1,900 naira to 2,000 naira per kg, while in Ogun State, it goes as high as 2,300 naira to 2,500 naira per kg. Other places can be higher or lower. Festive period, cultural acceptance, and population density, all these factors affect pig prices. Location determines whether you will benefit in pig farming or you will miss out. Your pig farming business will suffer if transportation costs eat your margin, if you rely on one buyer, if you are far away from veterinary help, if market prices in your location is unstable. These are location problem, not feeding problem nor breeding problem. How to choose a strategic pig farm location? Before you choose a location, ask yourself, how far is my target market? What is the cost of moving my pigs and feed from one point to another? Are there a steady buyer near my farm? What is the average pig price in this area? As far as pig farming is concerned, the best location is not always the cheapest land, it is the most connected one. In conclusion, pig farming profit does not end at the farm gates. Location determines how easy it is for you to sell, to buy, and to scale your farm. Choose wisely and location becomes your advantage. Don't forget to like this video, share, and subscribe to this channel. Comment your farm location and the biggest challenges you are facing there. Let's learn from each other and grow smarter farms.